What's up there, crew? Matt here with TRW. This is Ask Matt Season 2, Episode 255. So the question that came through today, multiple questions today from you guys, is you guys know we finished up the Cricut Joy CJ, all rhinestones. And the question was, how many rhinestones did you use on the Cricut Joy? And how much cost do you have in rhinestones? So I'm going to run through those numbers with you real quick, just to give you an idea of how long it took, how many I used, how much it cost, and break it down for you. So let me flip the camera around and show you. All right, so what you'll notice on CJ here is I use mainly SS16 rhinestones. Around the edge, I have some SS10s, and then in this area, I have SS10s and some smaller stones as well. Now, on CJ here, I actually use, just to give a different look, okay, all of the crystal are actually the Swarovski crystals. Now, we don't sell the Swarovski crystals on our website, so I got those from the Crystal Ninja. So awesome place to get your Swarovski rhinestones at. But what I'm gonna price this at, broken down, is using our TRW diamond cut flat back stones, which is what a lot of you guys are using right now. So the aqua right here is our TRW diamond cut flat back stones, and so is the aqua here and the aqua on the blade area in there. So breaking down price-wise, total stones in this entire design right here, think in your head, see if you can guess it. Total rhinestones placed, right around 5,570 rhinestones, okay? Now, for the aqua, we had 2,750 SS16 rhinestones, where if you were to buy these in the 100 gross at a time on our website at therhinestoneworld.com, using that many stones would be about $35 in cost, okay? Now, the SS10 stones that I did around the edge and on the Cricut design here, we got about 490 stones there. SS10, buying it by the 100 gross, the amount of stones used here, about $3.06. Crystal, if you're using our crystal TRW diamond cut flat back rhinestones, the SS16s, we have about 1,850 SS16 crystal stones. Buying them by the 100 gross, again, you got about $19.25 in actual material cost or stone cost. And then the smaller areas where we have some small crystals in there and a couple ones in some little filler areas in here, only about 80 of those, and that's about 44 cents in cost. So total cost for this entire job in rhinestones of our TRW diamond cut flatback stones, if you're buying them by the 100 gross, about $55.75 in rhinestone cost. Now, you also obviously have the glue. I probably used maybe not even half of my Fusion Tack glue on this job here. So the glue is gonna last you a long time. And then I used my Crystal Katana tool right here, which you're gonna, again, be able to use for a very long time. Now, the big question that I get asked a lot is, how much would you sell something like this for? So me personally, using our TRW flatback stones, this job took me a little over 5 hours to do, okay? And I charge, this is including my stone cost, $100 an hour. So they're gonna give me the Cricut Joy. Obviously, I'm not going to provide them with whatever I'm blinging out, whether it's a Cricut Joy or a microphone or whatever it is, right? But I'm charging them for my services, for my decorating services, for my time and the stones involved. So think about it. I mean, $55 in stone cost, $6 in glue. Your katana is gonna last a long time. So you have, let's call it $60 in cost, and then you have your time. But again, if you're charging at least $100 an hour to do something like this, those are some pretty sweet margins, right? So hopefully this video helped you out. Hopefully it helped you out breaking down your costs, breaking down everything. But just to let you know, for example, I don't charge a lot. Like, that may seem like a lot for someone to pay you over, probably, let's say I would charge $550 because it was a little over 5 hours. But that's the thing, is you need to charge for your time. If Kelly were to do something like this, it would probably be $1,200, $1,500, but a lot higher cost in the Swarovski stones as well, okay? But charge for your time, make your time valuable because it's something custom. How many of these have you seen? It's unique, it's different, it's gonna get attention, right? So hopefully this video helped you guys out. Comment below, give me some different questions that you guys have as well. Remember, flatback stones, you can bling out anything. This TV right here, those shoes over here, that Jets helmet over there, that Fireball bottle over there, those wine bottles over there, whatever you can think of, you can bling. All right, so any questions, comment below. Make sure to click that like button, subscribe, the little bell right next to it so you get a notification. Appreciate all of you guys hanging out on the YouTube lives with me while we were making this. And you guys have an amazing night. We'll see you tomorrow. Later, crew.